Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you the 2020 250 Sun Deck Outboard by Sea Ray boats. First thing I want to point out to you guys is this massive swim step area back here. Plenty of room for entertaining. Sea Ray did something really cool this year, and there is a built-in cooler right here. It drains into the bilge and overboard. You got two auxiliary chargers right here, a 12 volt and USB, and additional storage under this seat right here. This boat is equipped with your 300 horsepower Mercury. It does have digital throttle and shift. Back here we do have a remote for the stereo. And this is one of the coolest things about this boat right here. Say you're done playing in the water and you want to entertain inside the boat. This chair moves all the way forward. Right under here there's an additional cooler. It's a removable cooler. Then you have your designated storage for your anchor light for the tower. Cup holders throughout the boat, conveniently placed, and as you can see we have the blue LED lighting inside. This is an onboard battery charger, so whenever you get done using the boat, pull it up to the dock, plug it in, it's going to maintain your batteries. Under all of these seats there's going to be additional storage. In here there's dedicated storage for the two table bases and two table tops, as well as your bow filler cushion inserts. Additional storage under this seat. You have your battery switch easily accessible right here, and a nice convenient door to keep the dogs and little kids inside the boat while you're underway. Moving up to the helm, this does have a flip-up bolster. Plenty of room for 1 to 2 people if you wanted to. Flip-up bolster is good for when you want to see over the windshield and get the wind in your face. If you don't want to do that and it's a nice cool day out, put that seat down. Sit right here. You got the windshield right here. Like I said, digital throttle and shift. You have the Simrad touchscreen display. That's a fish finder, depth finder navigation. You have the Fusion head unit right here. That is touchscreen. Then all your switches at arm's reach. This is a really cool feature as well. So the Sun Deck line from Sea Ray. If you notice, they did move the walkthrough to the port side of the boat, so it gave us so much room inside the down here. You have your pump out porta potty right there. But if you guys want to, what you can do, say the kiddos got too much sun and they need to go somewhere and cool down. You have an additional 12 volt plug in here, and you have that massive cushion area so they can lay down in there. Another cool feature about this boat is both these backrests move forward and back. This is an entertaining, focused boat. You guys can all be right here and congregate and tell jokes and have fun, drink your wine and cheese, or eat your cheese, all that good stuff. Moving forward to the bow of the boat. Additional seating right here. As I said, in the back there's dedicated storage for the bow filler cushion and inserts. So there's inserts that go underneath this table. You'd remove this table and make this one very large cushion area. Up front we have the windlass anchor, and there is a freshwater washdown right there, so you can wash off all the dirt and mud and stuff from the anchor before you bring it in. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston, showing you the 250 SDX Outboard by Sea Ray Boats. Come by and see us soon.